Welcome to qnawire.
Hello, I have a question. In this, I have to convert the equation 3x square plus 3y square minus 18x equal to 0 into polar form. So to convert it in polar form, I have to plug in x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, and x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, so if we take 3 as common, x square plus y square minus 18x equal to 0. So 3r square minus 18r cos theta equal to 0 from here. So if we divide both sides by r will get cancelled out. So r square, or we can say if we take 3r as common, r minus 6 cos theta equal to 0. Dividing both sides by 3r, this will get cancelled out. So r equal to 6 cos theta should be the answer.